As you already know, I posted a video where I explain how you can install Plex Media Server on Synology device. Today we're installing Plex Media Server on QNAP device. In order to install Plex Media Server on QNAP, you need to be logged on your QNAP device dashboard. In this video, we're installing Plex Media Server on TS832X model. In order to install, we need to open App Center from Dashboard Home. In App Center, you can search for Plex, or you can go on section Entertainment. Beside Plex Media Server, you can see there is various services similar to Plex, such as Video Station. Now we will click on Install button below Plex Media Server icon. QNAP will ask on which location we want to install Plex. I will use my first storage pool named Data PPD1. After installation, we need to open Plex Media Server, actually Plex, and to log in or register with the Plex account. As I mentioned before, I already have Plex account, so I'll use mine in order to log in. After logging into Plex, we will give server a name and create movie category. We'll give movie category folder destination on our NAS, and now we'll test our video content which is inside Plex movie library. Before I finish this guide, I need to say that after a few days of testing Synology DS920 Plus and QNAP DS832X, I noticed a difference between those two NASs when we talk about speed and quality of Plex streaming. Plex needed more time to load a same movie from QNAP than from Synology, and I will put specification of both devices on screen. As you can also see, I definitely assume that 2S QNAP model needs more RAM in order to Plex Media Server work faster. But anyway, choosing the right data storage device can be really difficult, having considered everything from budget, capacity, reliability, and of course what purpose you're going to use it. So I highly recommend to visit website nascomapares.com, because those folks are doing a great job giving people professional advices about NAS devices. If you have any questions or you want similar videos about this topic, feel free to comment. And if you like this, click on the like button or subscribe to my channel for more YouTube videos. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.